Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Taurus, it's Sign. This is November bi-weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Taurus, it's Sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Messages for Taurus, it's Sign. Interesting. Under the deck, the Moon, Wheel of Fortune, Strength, maybe you're dealing with Leo, and Six of Pentacles. I think you're getting some help from someone here, especially financial help, Taurus, or you are balancing your finances here. And you're working on your inner strength and you want to becoming like a very powerful person, especially emotionally you want to be a very strong person and you're working on it. And Wheel of Fortune with the Moon, maybe you have some fears regarding some area of your life, maybe in relationship wise, maybe you have some fears, but things are turning into your favor eventually. Yeah, Wheel of Fortune is here. Maybe you're dealing with Pisces. So let's see, we're reading recent past, Nine of Pentacles, Page of Swords, and Page of Cups. Maybe someone approached you with some love. Maybe for some it could be a brand new, for some it could be a past, but it was a very small offer, and kids also involved in this relationship, but you're just focusing on yourself, you're just focusing on your work here, because Nine of Pentacles, you were on your power in recent past. Then present, Knight of Cups, Three of Pentacles, and Judgment. I think you have more options here. Definitely you have more than one option, Taurus. And you have strong emotions towards someone here. Someone is ready to work on this relationship. Maybe your current person want to take this relationship to next level. If you are in relationship with this person, now they want to marry you. I think there is some celebration, some marriage, and stability is coming. Then future, Queen of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles, and Queen of Cups. I think it is more about money here, future. You're balancing your finances. You're putting your money in different forms. At the same time, you're saving your money here. Four of Pentacles, you're holding your money. Maybe you're protecting your money here. And you're doing hard work. At the same time, you have very strong emotions towards someone here. You're a very sharing and caring person. Queen of Pentacles. Sorry, Queen of Cups. The person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what is going between you and your person. Under the deck, Nine of Pentacles with Empress. I think your person is also very career oriented person. They are also financially very stable. So let's see their current feelings and intentions towards you. Nine of Swords, King of Cups, and Eight of Cups. And their intentions. Maybe you're dealing with Gemini here. Maybe dealing with Virgo. Yeah. So they want to leave behind that doesn't serve them anymore. Like, or they want to leave behind arguments or fightings between you and your person if they have any. I think they're thinking about you a lot. Maybe some arguments, some disturbances between you and your person, but finally they're going to express their love to you because King of Cups is here. Definitely, this person is really do love you because their intentions, the lovers, the hermit, and Knight of Cups. After some transformation, they are getting clarity here. After the transformation, they will approach you and they will offer their cup of love to you, or they will say apology to you, Taurus, because they are recognizing your worth here. That's why they want to take this relationship to next level. If you are not in separation, so if you are in relationship, they want to marry you. If you are already married with this person, they want to uh, take this relationship to next level, or they want to fix things with you. Yeah, major realization they are getting here. Definitely realization about you, and they're losing their nights over you. If they walked away in this relationship in past, now they have regrets. That's why they're coming back. See, Five of Wands, Ten of Cups, Four of Cups, and the Star. Maybe you're dealing with Aquarius. They're wishing for this connection and they want to be with you like this, Ten of Cups. Maybe some of you, if you are in separation with this person, they're missing you a lot, Four of Cups. So let's pull some cards from universe where this relationship is headed on. Yeah, Page of Cups with Justice. Yes, they want second chances. Maybe you're dealing with Libra and they're ready to offer equal give and take. Wow, they are crazy over you. Yeah, maybe in past they did hurt you. Now they realize their mistake. Now they want brand new beginnings with you. Wow. Maybe you are being very patient. You are just balancing things in your life, or you are trying to balance things within yourself. Temperance. Maybe you are dealing with Sagittarius here. Maybe some of you are dealing with Aquarius also. Yeah, you are just focusing within yourself. You are just searching happiness within yourself. Yeah, but there is communication is coming. Someone wants brand new beginnings with you. So let's see mutual energies and final outcome between you and your person, Taurus. Stability, juggling. Someone is manifesting the other person in this connection, but you are on your power, but they're ready to offer 10 of Pentacles, but you are doing your own thing. You are not just taking this decision right now regarding this relationship. Yeah, you are in a defensive mode, Taurus, but they're ready to offer what you want here. So then it's up to you. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Age difference. Maybe some of you, you both have age difference between you and your person. And second chance, yes, definitely if you are in separation with this person, they want second chance with you, and I'm not feel good enough for you. Some of you, your person is feeling right now they are not feeling good enough for you. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Taurus. Your hard work is paying off, new moon in Capricorn. Maybe you're dealing with Capricorn here. So for some, definitely you are getting results for your hard work. If not, you will. Especially when new moon in Capricorn. And second message, you and your loved ones are safe, new moon in Cancer. Maybe you're dealing with Cancer here. So if you are in long distance relationship, this is the message for you. Or you are far away from your family. This is the message, you and your loved ones are safe. And under the deck, believe in the impossible, blue moon. So if you want to manifest or if you want to achieve something big in your life, first you have to believe in the impossible. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.